Right guys, so back here with Rugged Garage. Got my Tui here, my Corolla 1990. So I've started stripping it all down because I'm going to paint all the engine bay. Yeah, all this is pretty basic stuff. All the loom, I'm just going to pull the boot off, the rubber boot off, then just tape it all up and then just spray it out, that Raptor stuff, give it a light sand up. And then I'll do all under the underbody, remove all the subframe, all the gearboxes going, because I wanted a good job, and just repaint everything in the front so it looks just mint, you know. And yeah, all the boosters going, the clutch is going, steering shaft's going, so all that's going. I'll just have some fuel lines and some brake lines left, but I'll just bend them out of the way and mask it up and just spray around it. But yeah, it's pretty filthy, you know, it's got shit everywhere. So this cleanup, what I'm doing, will just make it really good. It's going black, that Raptor paint. I think it's going to look good, so soon we'll find out anyway, because I want to make my Weber's DCOEs just the centerpiece of the motor, and the red kind of like throws it off because it's quite colourful. Yeah, so yeah, I've got a lot of cleaning to do. There's shit everywhere in this car, so yeah. And changing out that 4-speed gearbox for a 5-speed C152, I think, what I got in my garage. So I'll chuck all that in and should be mint. Right guys, so back here's the Corolla. So I've stripped it. Oh, getting pretty close now. So getting ready. So I pulled out the brake booster, clutch cylinder. I've just loosened all these union joint part off here for my steering shaft to go into the rack. I have to pull out my rack, then I can remove all that. And I'll do that once the subframe's all gone. So my plan is now I'm gonna jack the whole car up, lift it all up off the front, and put some stuff under over on each side of the doors to hold it up, and then I'm gonna pretty much drop the whole subframe, prep it, get it ready for paint. And yeah, so that's some of the parts of the engine bay. Try to keep everything nice and tidy. Now, if any of you guys haven't seen my Gilmore stuff, I've got my Gilmore belt, so it's nice, thick belt there. It goes on the alternator, water pump, and that's my harmonic balance. So he custom made this piece here, just out of steel. That's why it started to rust. It's better anyway if it's steel. Awesome job. Yeah. So once I get all that done, so I've got my Corolla. I've stripped it all down as much as I need to get ready to paint it. So it's coming up pretty good actually. I just started cleaning over in this area. That's why it's coming out pretty good. Bit of degreaser and a Scotch-Brite pad, and it's coming up pretty good. So once I get all the shit off of it, then I'll go around with some sandpaper and finish her up and get it ready. So yeah.